Hi guys, welcome to our review channel. In this video, we're going to check out some best products on the market. We've made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. For more information and updated pricing, please check out the description below.
When 6550 granite table provides a sturdy non-marring surface for wood to smoothly travel over. Plain boards up to 6 inches thick and 12.5 inches wide. 15A motor generates 17,000 cuts per minute at a 26 feet per minute feed rate. Adjust depth to plane off anywhere from 0 to 3/32 of an inch with each pass. Fan-assisted dust port removes sawdust from workpiece. Grizzly Industrial G0505 12.5 2 HP benchtop planer. We wanted a portable planer that was lighter to carry around and finished cuts faster, but didn't lack muscle or design quality. The result was the model G0505. This 12.5 planer features a 2 HP motor, 10,000 RPM cutterhead, 32 FPM feed rate, top-mounted return rollers, and extra-large table extensions. Additional features like 1/8 thick. DeWalt Benchtop Planer, single speed, 15 amp, 12.5 inch, DW734, powerful 15 amp, 20,000 RPM motor of the woodworking planer handles larger, deeper cuts in hardwoods. 3-knife cutter head with 10,000 RPM cutter head speed of the thickness planer provides 96 cuts per inch, one of the finest finishes of any portable planer. Disposable, reversible knives of the wood planer deliver 30% more knife. Cutech 40200H CT13 Spiral Cutterhead Planer, Professional Model. For the more demanding professional, our 40200H Spiral type with thickness planer will fit the bill. With its 4 heavy-duty guide posts and 2 heavy-duty screw posts design, cutterhead snipe lock, internal gears for height adjustment, depth repeat cut and large tables, it has all the features a pro would need. And at about 90 pounds. Makita 2012 NB 12-inch planer with interlock automated head clamp, compact with less weight for easy transporting to the job site. Engineered for faster, easier blade changes. Low noise, 83 dB, for operator comfort. For post design and diagonal cross supports for stability. Large table extensions to support the workpiece. Fully adjustable depth stop for repeat cuts. LED light indicates that the planer